Hey guys, I'm Cody, Feagin Truck and Trailer. Our next premium series is going to be our Hawke series. This unit behind me is a 7x14 Hawke, known for its strong, durable steel, high quality welds, and simplistic, durable hydraulic system design. Up here in the front of our trailer is going to be one of the biggest points that I can go over on this, and that's going to be our lifting capacity of this trailer. It's going to be 10,300 pounds with an all-inclusive battery, pump, hydraulic system, and controller. Our controller is going to include power up, power down, and gravity down. Let's raise this bad boy and see how it's going to lift your load. As you can see that we have this dump trailer lifted, you can see its strong, durable frame, as well as its strong, durable scissor lift, localized central to the trailer towards the front so we can carry your needs. Underneath is going to be our stowed away ramps that are going to be versatile and adjustable for any equipment that you may carry. Lowering this unit is easy, simple as pressing a button with power down. If you've lost all power and you're stuck and need versatility, this is the feature I was speaking about earlier, which is gravity down. Requires no power and just the weight of your trailer. This is something unique to the Hawke series lineup. Let me show you around this trailer and the unique features on this model. Not only do we include state pockets on the majority of these Hawke series, you also get a spare tire mount, multiple tie-down points, dual 7K Dexter Axles giving you a 14K GVWR. On the rear of this, you're going to see your tarp location and where it's going to secure and make you DOT compliant. You also get a versatile door latch system, which is your quick latch for your combo gate on the rear. That's going to give you your barn doors and your spreader gate function. Stowed away neatly and concealed under your trailer is two adjustable ramps, easily taken out and adjusted to fit your equipment needs. Have heavy equipment that needs to be adjusted for width and closeness? This is going to do what you need. Need something strong and durable? They've got you covered. Our Hawke series is going to have a 10 gauge floor with upgrades for a 7 gauge floor. It's also going to have our smooth Sherwin-Williams paint finish. This model is also going to include a tarp system to keep you DOT compliant. Again, we thank you, and I'm Cody with Feagin Truck and Trailer. If you want people you can rely on and trust, come and see us.